Hey, gals and guys, this is Chris Motor from MyMediaHelper.com, and hello to you. And it's if you ever seen past videos, I always got like a sweater or a sweatshirt on or something like that. And all I got on today is just a t-shirt because it's getting warm out. It's summer. It's exciting. I just wanted to throw that out there. What I'm doing today here is I'll show you what my dilemma was, which isn't the fact anymore. Is I was working on. Let me get to that video I was working on so I can show you from scratch. So I was just working on this toxic Avenger video, just doing like trivia. It says right there, I'm doing review and trivia on the Toxic Avenger because I do movie reviews. Sometimes I do a bunch of crap. But so I was trying to upload an image to add it to this, and it said I was all out of space. I used my maximum amount of space. Right now, I don't have a subscription to this. It really depends what I'm doing with this. If I get a subscription or not. Right now, I don't use it enough to warrant one. Sometimes you get free subscriptions and stuff like that. But anyways, this video isn't about you subscribing to Canva. It's how to delete mass files. So basically, let me go to uploads here. Let me go to, well, I don't really want to get rid of any images right now. I'm going to move my dopey head. So let me come in here. And so you do have to go in and delete videos from here. So just because you delete videos from here, and this makes sense, I'm going to keep that one. Just because you delete videos from your files here doesn't mean that it gives you more space. You actually have to delete them from the trash, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. We're going to use this auto clicker bipolar. I'm going to show you how to use it. I kind of got turned on by it from another YouTube video, but they were showing the wrong way how to do it, and it wasn't working the way they showed it. So I'm going to show you the correct way to use it. All right, that's why I'm making this video. If he was doing it the right way, I wouldn't even bother making this video. So I'm going to close that for now. Just go home to your home page for your Canva, and basically what you want to do is go to your trash. Yeah, I'm going to go to videos because I got a lot in there. Here's all the videos I want to get rid of. There's quite a few, as you can see. So what's going to happen? Holy crap, there's a lot of them, isn't there? So what's going to happen is I don't want this view. I actually want this view. All right. And as you can see, there's a lot of videos here. So we're going to go to this this auto clicker. There's a lot of auto clickers out there. This one just happens to be freeware, and it's bipolar. It's bipolar. So am I. It's bipolar. And I get kind of weary of downloading and installing programs on my computer. That's why I'm using this, because I don't have to. You do download the file to your computer, but it doesn't install on your computer. So that's why I kind of recommend this. And so let's do that now. I'm just going to click on here. Now, let's see if it does it or not. Sometimes when you click on free software, and you probably know this, right? If you click on a free program, there's another program that pops up. Make sure you're reading what you're downloading. Just gonna do its thing here. Maybe it did. Let me check my files over here. My downloads. Let me refresh. And I'm gonna refresh. Nope, hasn't come up yet for me. Nope. Let me try it again. Or you can just, if you don't use that, just refresh it. We'll download it. There it goes. It's kind of like shit like this, right? Don't think you're downloading something you're not. Just, it will say auto clicker polar. Okay. So I'm gonna X this out. So make sure you download that. And I'm gonna have to refresh. And that baby's going to be right there. So what I'm going to do is open. Okay. And there we go. It's popped up. It didn't install anything. It's not going to install anything. So it's not on your, it's just an application on your computer. So let's make sure we're at our list here. So the mistake that was being made to what I was looking at is it was being done from the top and not the bottom, and it was screwing up from the top. I'll show you both ways. Of course, I'll show you the right way to begin with. So basically, auto clicker is exactly as it sounds, right? It auto clicks. You put in coordinates on your monitors, and it will do that particular steps that you put in. And for example, I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to do our first pick. So we're going to come up here, and we're going to do pick, right? And that's supposed to disappear. It didn't crash or anything. And then you want to go to your bottom in your trash, your bottom item. Trying to think of the word. All right, so there's the coordinate right there for that particular click. So I'm going to add that position right there. So I'm going to pick again. All right, so you can see the coordinates as I move the mouse there, the coordinates of what the screen is. So my next click is going to be delete permanently. All right, so I'm going to add that position. And then my final position is going to be delete this. Okay, and then I'm going to add that position. So you should have 3 positions on there. I should be so lucky to have 3 positions. But anyways, so if you right-click on this stuff, you can move stuff around. You can remove items. It's pretty self-explanatory as far as right-clicking on this stuff. Options really does totally nothing. And I'm not sure what time to sleep is, to tell you the truth. So let me just do like 10 items. Or maybe I'll do 20 items. And then just keep an eye down here at the bottom, and you'll see them start deleting. So let's start. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. So while we're waiting, how do you like my haircut and my shave? I did it for the warm weather, for the summer. I did it for you, gals and guys. I did it for you because I pretty much looked like a homeless person before. So as you can see, it's going beautifully. It should be almost done, and then I'll show you the wrong way to do it. And if I haven't said before, you can use this clicker for anything that you need clicked, I guess, right? This is just a particular video on Canva. There's probably multiple scenarios where you can use this program. This is the reason I need it, and this is the reason for the video. Oh, I think that made sense. All right, so you can go in here, and I will remove all items. And let me show you the wrong way to do it. So don't start at the top. This is why you don't start at the top. So pick. And then there's your first pick. So here's your first coordinate. And your second pick is delete permanently. And then your third pick is delete permanently. And it might work the first couple times, but then, here, I'll show you. It just put restored. So that worked. That worked. That worked. That restored. That worked. I don't know why it does it. That worked. 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 Should be almost done. See, that restored, so that went back, so I have to go back and delete that. So, and now it's just all over the place. It just doesn't keep up. And it should almost be done. All right, so that's done. So let's go back to the bottom, and I'll show you one more time, and we'll get rid of all these freaking files. And then I can find a file to download just to show you. Remove all items. Okay, so just one more time. So we're going to pick, first pick, going to add position, pick, second pick, going to add position. Oop, let me get this out of the way. Pick, third pick, going to add position. So you should have 3, right? And I'm just going to go to town with 100. Yeah, I'm just going to let it do its thing and get everything out of there, and I should have plenty of room on the world of Canva for a long, long time. All right, gals and guys, so I just wanted to just go back into trash. I never had any designs there anyways. There was only like 6 images, I think, and there's the videos. There was a crap load of them in there, and as you can see, they're all gone. Just as a hint as well, if it goes through all of them, make sure you refresh the page, because I don't think Canva, or I know now, Canva doesn't load all the videos, even if you scroll all the way down. So if you think you deleted them all, don't necessarily think that, especially if you have a lot of stuff on there, which I had like a year's worth of videos on there. It was crazy, but now I got lots of room on Canva, and they'll say, load it up, baby. Send the files, bring the files into Canva. You're okay. So I thank you as always, gals and guys. Please like this video. If you like the video, please share. I would appreciate that. And please subscribe. That'd be awesome. 100 subscribers, 101. Not a big deal to most people, kind of a big deal to me. And hit the bell for updates. I'll also mention, I don't normally mention it, and I think I'm going to start. I do have a Patreon page, and I'm going to put that it's in the description, but I don't usually bring it up. But if you want to support the channel at all, that'd be awesome. All right, and that's all I got for you today. I'm going to go make one more video, and then who knows what I'll do after that. So take care. Bye.